even the Bollywood movies,
Yeah.
they will come to Hyderabad. There is a separate airport in that studio.
Namaste. Today's topic is Tollywood. 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 But actually, I have no idea how the South Indian movie industry is. So, can you please answer what is Tollywood first of all?
Okay, so Tollywood. Tollywood is a name of Telugu film industry.
Film industry. Okay.
You know, all the Hindi movies, they are called Bollywood.
Bollywood. Okay.
So Telugu, they are called Tollywood.
Hollywood.
And Tamil, they are called Kollywood.
Hollywood.
Really?
Yeah.
So different.
And you know, you have been in Karnataka, right? It is
Yeah.
called Sandalwood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
I know that.
I only know that Bollywood.
So you know Bollywood because all the North movies,
Yeah.
North Indian movies are called Bollywood
Yeah.
because the language is Hindi.
Mm.
But South Indian, there are different South Indian states.
Oh.
They speak completely different languages. You know?
That's why each state has different.
Yeah, that's why you know every state has its own film industry.
It's so how big Tollywood?
Yeah, I want to know.
Tollywood is actually very big. You know, for example, in India, every year, total 1800 to 2000 movies are made.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait.
Of that, 15 to 20%
Mhm.
are Bollywood movies,
Okay.
and second highest is Tollywood, Telugu movies. So it is so big.
So funny.
You know, when a Telugu movie it is releasing tomorrow,
Okay.
people who are staying in US, the Telugu people,
What?
they go the before night
Yeah.
to the theater and stand in the line to buy tickets.
Is it?
If it is a movie of a very big actor,
Yeah.
it is very difficult to get the tickets.
Is it?
So they go before night, stand in line.
This
You know,
whole night
sometimes they stay
Okay.
whole night
for getting one
to
ticket.
get the tickets for a very big actor movie. It is that big, you know,
Okay.
the Telugu film industry.
So you're like movie holic.
Yeah, movies.
Holic.
I think most of Indians are very much into movies.
Okay.
And also, there is a place in outskirts around Hyderabad.
Mhm.
It is called Ramoji Film City.
Ramoji Film City.
Film City.
Film City.
Film City.
Yeah. So the specialty of this is it is having a Guinness World Record
Okay.
for the largest area
Mhm.
where the movies are shot.
Okay. Studio.
So it's like a studio,
Okay.
but it has everything in it.
Okay.
Suppose if you want to shoot in a railway station,
Mhm.
you cannot go to a railway station because
Yeah.
a lot of people are there.
Yes.
So there is a separate railway station in the studio.
Fake place.
There is a train also.
Okay.
There is a separate airport in that studio.
It's like kind of like amusement park. Big
Yeah.
amusement park. Fake
Fake,
airport.
yeah. Fake
lake.
airport, fake buildings. And there is a record in one day,
Okay.
40 different movies are shooting in
In the
separate
same place.
in the same place at different locations.
Really?
Yeah, you know, even the Bollywood movies,
Yeah.
they will come to Hyderabad
Shoot.
to Ramoji Film City
Is it?
and shoot the scenes and go back.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really big.
Can we
Yeah.
go?
Yeah, as tourists we can go. There is an entry fees.
Okay.
It takes 2 days to, you know, complete.
2 days?
2 days to look complete. There is a bus. You cannot walk.
Okay.
So that's how big, you know, Tollywood is.
Yeah.
For the top actors in Tollywood.
In Tollywood.
Yeah.
Top actor.
Top actors, you know, it is very difficult to say top actors. We can start with Pawan Kalyan.
Pawan
Kalyan.
Kalyan.
Pawan Kalyan.
Pawan Kalyan.
Yeah, he's also called Power Star. Power Star. You know, every actor has his nickname which the followers call him.
Okay.
Yeah,
So he's pastor.
he is Power Star.
Okay.
Then comes Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh Babu.
Yeah, Mahesh Babu is really handsome actor.
Very handsome.
And
Let me
he,
see the photo.
you can see the photo.
Yeah, let me see.
He has a lot of female following.
Okay.
So he is Mahesh Babu.
Oh.
Yeah.
This,
Kakui.
so he is like one of the most handsome actors.
Oh.
Can you guess his age?
Age.
Yeah,
Like 26, 27 like that.
27.
The answer is.
The answer is more than 40.
Hey.
Yeah,
He.
he is more than 40.
Wow.
I don't know the exact number, but he's more than 40 now. So young looking.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, that's why he has a lot of girls following for him.
Yeah.
So his Mahesh Babu is one of the top actors.
Okay.
Then we have Prabhas.
Prabha.
Bravo.
Prabhas.
Prabha.
So have you heard of this movie Bahubali?
I know.
So, Bahubali is Tollywood.
Yeah,
Tollywood movie.
it's a Tollywood movie.
I
Wow.
didn't know that.
It's a Telugu language movie which is later dubbed into different languages of India.
Translated.
Translated.
Okay. But it's quite popular in Japan also.
Oh,
Bahubali is.
Bahubali is popular in Japan also.
Yeah.
So its main language is Telugu.
Is it?
And the actor who played his Prabhas. And next we have Allu Arjun.
Allu
Allu Arjun.
Allu Arjun.
Allu
Allu
Arjun.
Arjun.
Allu Arjun. He's called Stylish Star.
Stylish
Okay.
star. Hey.
His,
Star.
his sense of dressing is really cool.
Okay.
And he's a lovely dancer.
Okay.
Lovely dancer.
He dances very quickly.
Okay.
So he's a professional dancer. And then we have Junior NTR.
Junior
NTR.
NTR.
NTR. NTR.
Grandfather was the chief minister of the state before.
Is it?
Yeah, in 1980s. He's also a really lovely dancer
Mm-hmm.
and he acts so good.
Okay.
The way he portrays emotions is lovely. And finally we have Ram Charan Tej.
Ram Charan Tej.
He's called Mega Power Star.
Mega power star. Not power star.
Charan. So these are like top 6 actors
Mm-hmm.
who are currently in Tollywood.
Okay. I have to watch like movie with those actor came in.
You can watch Magadhira.
Magadhira.
Yeah, Magadhira. And the actor is Ram Charan Tej.
Oh,
The Mega Power Star.
Mega star.
Yeah.
okay.
And third, one more fun movie is called Ega.
Iga.
Maki.
Makhi.
We have seen
That's a Telugu movie.
Like,
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
We watched.
You watched
It's
Makhi?
his
Yeah.
favorite movie. He was crying.
Yeah, it's original one.
Original. Ega
I
means
see.
insect.
Okay.
Makhi means insect.
Yeah, fries.
Fly, yeah.
Okay.
So that is it. You have already watched it.
Yes.
This one also available in Japan.
Oh, Makhi is also
Makhi,
available in
yeah.
Japan.
Yes.
And you know the fun part? All the 3 movies which I suggested, Bahubali, Makhi, Magadhira,
Oh, Madina.
it is directed by only the same director.
Really?
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he is the director of all the best hits of, Telugu.
Okay.
The movie is a very different concept.
Yes.
Yeah,
I was
yeah, yeah.
surprised. First of all, I was like kind of doubt, like why there is a house rise. There's a like hero. Why?
Yeah.
How come?
And one more thing you can notice is the movies of this director Rajamouli.
Yeah.
They always have this concept of mostly hero or someone will die
Mm-hmm.
and they'll come back again in new life. Reincarnation it's called.
Okay.
So they'll die and come back, and in the next
Okay,
life
I
okay,
see,
okay,
I
okay.
the past will be continued. There's a connection between past and new life.
Okay.
Something like that. So he's a very creative director.
Yeah.
I understood.
We really wanna watch.
You should start with Bahubali first
Yeah.
Okay.
and then go to Magadhira.
Magadhira.
Again, Maki.
And
Iga.
Iga. Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
really enjoyed. We learned many things about Telugu movie industry. Okay, thank you so much. For
Thank you.
taking
Thank
time.
you so much.
Thank
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye. You will check Toyota movies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Movie holic.